I just picked up the new purple leather case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's check it out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You may be thinking of upgrading yourself to the new purple iPhone. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and as you can see here, it's gorgeous. Actually, kind of subtle. Quite a bit more subtle than I thought. I'd call it plum. Now, you might be getting this case with it. This is the leather case. This is the official Apple OEM case. You can see here it's for that with MagSafe, and it's also in purple, so my thought here is that it actually should look pretty good on the purple iPhone. And oh, okay, I can just pull it open just like that, and what we get is the case itself, and it looks like, well, should show you that there's plenty of paperwork in there, but it looks like that is actually a fairly good match. Again, kind of this more subtle purple. I would say in darker light it's almost going to look like a gray or a black. You can see the molded in plastic button there. This is all leather, a slightly debossed Apple logo right there. You can see how large the lip is around the iPhone cameras, and I actually think that those are deeper, or they protrude more than they did on the 13. If we go around here, cut out, as you can see right there, for the mute switch, and then the molded in plastic buttons again for the volume rockers, and then full cutouts for the lightning port and the speaker and the microphone right there. Microfiber inside, feels so good. Oh, so smooth. And then you can see where that MagSafe would be. So we can just take this, right? And I just want to put them side by side. So they look pretty good. In fact, up here on the housing for the cameras, that's where it's darkest. And actually, kind of the case is darker. Kind of looks darker than the phone itself. So this should be pretty easy. I think you just kind of press it in. Don't want to be too rough with it. You know, sometimes my strength can surprise even me, but there you go. Now what we've got is a full-on, oops, didn't quite get it over this edge. There we go. All right. Now we've got it purple matching the purple, and I think that's really what you want to do here. You want to be matchy. You don't want to go out and clash, you know, black belt, brown shoes kind of a thing, but this kind of just unifies the look here. And like I said, look at that leather case. It certainly seems to rise above, maybe just a hair, a fraction of a millimeter above those lenses. So if you put it down like this, I feel like that's going to protect those lenses from getting scratched up. I mean, they should be pretty strong. I think they are sapphire. You can see how precise those cutouts are around all of the buttons. And does this work? Yes. Continues to work. Actually, it keeps turning on because this has the always on display now. Cool. All right, so that is the official OEM purple leather case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you want to pick this up, or any of the other colors, because maybe you're picking up some of the other colors for the iPhone, I'll put links to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.